you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box?
What's up? What is good, Canuck heads? Coming at you from Cold Harbor, Nova Scotia, Canada. What I have here is another unboxing video. I'm getting some good feedback on them. Really like doing them. Mostly because I like getting packages. Who doesn't like opening packages? It's like Christmas. This one's a special one. This one's from a country I've never gotten anything from. I'm pretty sure I've never gotten anything from. Montenegro, which used to be part of Yugoslavia. It's from a friend named Niksa. Correct me if I'm saying it wrong. We were chatting on Instagram, actually. He's got an awesome razor collection. He's got some super rare razors, toggle. He's got a couple of aristocrats, just some awesome, amazing razors. Razor Boss is his name on Instagram. But anyways, we were talking, and he said, have you ever tried a certain razor? You'll see it. And I said, no, I've never seen one. I know it's pretty rare. He's like, I'll send you one. I'm like, what do you mean you'll send me one? I said, no, I'll send you one. I'm like, oh, okay, that's awesome. And then he said, asked if I could get, it was Aqua Velva or an aftershave. So I said, yeah, I can get that for you. So I said, I'll send you something. No, don't send me anything. So I ended up sending him that, and I sent him a brush because he wanted to try a brush that I had. So I sent him a brush and some aftershave and stuff like that. So he'll be getting that package hopefully soon. I have this one here now. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got inside. Maybe it'll just be the razor. I'm not sure. But judging by the size of the box, I think there's more than just a single razor in there. But I could be wrong. Let's see here. Wrapped really well. It's like, I've never seen this before. Caterpillar cell phone. It's amazing what you see from other parts of the world. Yeah, I know he's on actually a trip. He's in Russia right now, in Moscow. Last time I talked to him, so he does a bit of traveling and stuff like that, which is awesome. Super nice guy, good to talk to. God, I think he used a whole roll of saran wrap. So let's. Oh. Okay, I remember mentioning this. Is this an aftershave called Brian? I don't know if I want to put Brian on my face, but I'll call it Brion, so I'm not putting Brian on my face. But yeah, he said this. I think this is what he said had lots of menthol. Can't remember. Let's give it a sniff, see what it smells like. He said it was really good. Oh, it's like it's a powdery. It smells like it's a barbershop. I like that. It's really nice, actually. It's a really nice barbershop type of scent. So we'll give that a go very soon. That's Brion, not Brian. Don't make that joke. I know you're going to make that joke. Somebody's going to say you're putting Brian on your face. Oh, he did mention this. This is a soap called Palmyra. I think it was on Doug Smythe and Pisarsik's I'd rather be wet shaving as a cheap soap. I think he said they're 50 cents for this little puck. Or something like that. It's super cheap. And it's a block. That is cool. It's a block. It's like a block of soap. So this is like their version of, like, say, like Palmolive or something like we have here. That's a little bit cheaper. Yeah, he says it's a really good. It's got tallow in it. It's a tallow-based soap, which is, I believe that's what tallowate is. It's not exactly English on the package, but Callagum tallowate. Seems like tallow to me, so very cool. Oh, and there's 3 razors here. So let's see what these are. Oh, he wrapped them in saran again, which means they're not going to get dung up, which is awesome. Feel a bit like Dexter unwrapping this stuff. Oh, he gets the opposite way. Oh my god. Oh, this is what I think it is. at that. Not sure the exact name. Oh, what is the name of this? I can't think of what the name of this is. Oh, man, I like that handle. Very cool. I think it's such an aristocrat. I can't. Somebody knows the name of it. I'll look it up also, but or if I find out for tomorrow, I'll upload this video tomorrow. Put the name of it. Very cool. I definitely don't have one of these. Excellent. This is made in England, I believe. Yes. No? Yeah. Made in England. You won't be able to pick it up on there, but yeah, made in England. So there's a razor there. And another one right here. It's Christmas. So if you guys get a box, do you guys like knowing what you're getting? Or do you like it to be completely random and not knowing at all what's in the package? I think I'm a little bit of both. I kind of like knowing what I'm getting, but if I don't, it's kind of exciting too. You know what I mean? I just like opening stuff and trying new. I just love trying new stuff. I think as wet shavers, if you see guys' collections, it's pretty obvious that most of us do enjoy just trying new things. Not many of us stick to one certain thing. Like when people ask those questions, like if you had to pick one soap and use it for the rest of your life, what would you pick? I'd choose not to use one soap for the rest of my life. It's too hard. Like I couldn't pick one. And usually if I do answer it, I pick like 4 soaps. Maybe between those 4 probably. But even that, it changes from month to month, really. If you get new stuff, like, you know what I mean? Like, every time you get a new soap, it's kind of like, that's, I don't know. Oh, I think this is, oh my god, yeah. Okay, so this is what I thought it was. This is the Brazilian-made Super Speed. Super Speed is a flare tip. You can see it's the Brazilian makes. It's got the different lines on here. The vertical lines are just... This is a rare razor. This is incredible. So maybe... Is this the same one? No, definitely a different one. Similar pattern, but the Brazil one has like the different lines on it. I remember hearing about this, hearing how rare it is. So now I'm going to have to try to find a case for this. Because that is awesome. I cannot wait to use these. These Super Speeds are fantastic shavers. Like really, every one I've ever used has been a consistent shaver. The old Gillettes they're made so well. That's a good question. Do you guys prefer vintage or modern razors? I know the new modern razors, the expensive ones, they've really taken shaving up a notch. Like they're so solid, the stainless steel ones. Some of them cost an arm and a leg, but such solid razors. I've got the Modern Shave Products razor, and I love it. It's super solid. A couple things that I would change about it, but that'll be for my review video. I'll be putting out soon. Decent? I think. No. Is it? He sent me 2 of the Brazilian-made razors. That is unreal. Most people don't have one. And I got 2 of these now. That's... Wow. Thank you, Niksa. That's amazing. It's got 3 new razors for the den. 3 new vintage razors. So they're not new. They're new to me. Soap. And an aftershave. So, yeah, this is incredible. Like, just... Wow. Thank you. This is just one of the coolest unboxings, getting stuff that's not from Canada or the US or even anywhere near here that I've never seen. I'm trying to think where this is made. I think this is made in Yugoslavia or Russia. I think it's made in Russia. .rs is Russia, I believe. Unless it's South Africa. Republic of South Africa. I'm not sure, but awesome for the soap cube, aftershave, 2 Brazilian-made Gillettes. Awesome. And this bad boy as well. I gotta look up the name of this one. I can't figure out. Is that a parrot? Is that what it is? The Gillette parrot? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Let me wet the palette with my Detroit Red Wing beer. But yeah, this is, wow. I'm blown away from the generosity of people. Thank you again. If you want to keep seeing these type of videos, these unboxings, pound the like button, share the video, comment. I love the comments. Just comment. Let me know what your best unboxing is, the best package you've got, like modern versus vintage. Post some comments about what you'd like to see on my videos coming up. I plan on doing a video of an unboxing of some other stuff that's not necessarily shaving related, some leather goods. In a month or two, I'm going to have a video on that. Just men's grooming in general, some men's fashion stuff. So I can try to mix it up, really get my channel going, up the subscribers some more, because of you guys, I can do this stuff. Again, thanks for watching. Incredible. I'm over the moon. Cheers, everybody. Have a good one. Adios, knuckleheads.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my